Okay, testing the Embraco relay, first continuity. No beep, that's an open circuit. Now for resistance, looks like 12.5 ohms here. And this terminal reads 0.8, that's our fault. First, use a screwdriver to remove the old relay. Carefully pull the old relay straight off the pins. Align the new relay and press it firmly onto the pins. Use the multimeter to confirm continuity. First, connect the red probe to the common terminal. Next, connect the yellow probe to the start terminal. Finally, touch the screwdriver to the run terminal. Okay, compressor test is good. Now for the final cooling test. Cooling vents are active. Test complete.